Hey, this is Carrie at Glitzy Glam, and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Now, I love Dollar Tree. This haul doesn't make me quite as excited as the 99-cent store haul, but I always love going and buying things that I like. So, here we go. I did buy another calendar. I didn't quite need it, but I bought it for this page here and the Christmas. But here is the back of this. Hopefully you can see it well. All right. But I bought it for just a few of the pages. I mean, for $1, it's still less expensive than going and buying a piece of art when you can cut it out and use that. All right, this is double-sided, and you already know about this additional theme I'm adding in to my home decor until fall fully hits and I start doing the fall leaves and the pumpkins and Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. So right now until, you know, the end of August, September, this is part of my decor that I added in place of the lemons. But there's one more decor item that I have added in, and you will find out about that in the very next video. Now, what it is, there is a hint of it in this picture that I'm showing you, but you'll have to guess what it is. And then I have one other item that is a hint as well. See if you can catch what it is, and see if you can figure out what the other decor element is besides just the sunflower. I have a project I'm going to do with this. I got the idea from another YouTuber, and I will leave her name. I will let you know when I do the decor video. When I do the DIY, I'll let you know which YouTuber gave me the idea, and I'll give her credit for that idea. The other things that I bought to stock up on was ribbon. Ribbon. Now, I had already shown you this ribbon, but you know, just like it, buffalo check, you can't have enough. Just in case you run out in the middle of a wreath or a craft project, I did have to buy more because you know the Dollar Tree ribbon doesn't have as much as the $10 ribbon, but $1 is good. All right. Black and white gingham. The red and black buffalo check or gingham for Christmas. Red and white in case I need some of that. Pink and white in case I need that. All right, and then anytime I find pretty flowers, I have to stock up on it in case I have a project that I need to do. I'm sorry guys, I'm distracted. My dog is in here, and I wanted to make sure she wasn't chewing up some of my fall decor that I have. These flowers here, they're almost like little tiny sunflowers, but they're in a creamy color. I almost bought the ones that look like little tiny sunflowers, but I saw these and just love those much more. So I bought those. I bought these because they would match really nicely but I didn't see very many of these that looked complete. Matter of fact, I just see one of these is even missing a flower. But these are wildflowers. These are called, yeah, these are called sunflowers. They just happen to be cream colored. Now these are a little mix of flowers. It's just called bouquet, but I like it because it's got those little, these little pieces here and the little pink flowers. It's just got a lot of interesting details that would look pretty for a wreath or even a vase. And I'm always seeing people use chenille stems to put together their wreaths instead of hot glue. So I bought some of those in case I want to do it that way. Now I have some more ribbon in here. This I had never seen at Dollar Tree. Well, actually I had never seen the gingham at Dollar Tree until this year. And one of my videos I did show you that I did buy some gingham and I bought more. And then you've seen this before that I bought with the white with the black polka dots. This is really great because I can use this on those shabby chic pumpkins, and I ran out, and this is the last roll that I found at both Dollar Trees. That was the last one. But this one I had never seen either, and I bought two. Now I've already put away my lemon decor for the sunflower decor and a few other, and the other item that I'm seeing if you can guess. But the lemon ribbon, I can't wait to use this when I set out my lemon decor next year. Awesome. I was excited about that. And I don't know how strong this glue is, but I was running out of hot glue, and I figured I might as well buy some at the Dollar Tree, keep me going at least until I order some more from Amazon, because I usually use the Gorilla Glue so that I can trust that it holds really, really well. And I've only got two more items I bought at the Dollar Tree. This you might have seen before. I've never bought it before, and I can't remember if they had it last year. But Honey, I'm Home. I thought that was cute. I'm not sure. Sometimes I buy these towels as a decor for a season, and sometimes I buy it to make pillows. But this doesn't really fit into my shabby chic pillow decor. So this may just temporarily hang in my kitchen. I'm not real sure. I just thought it was I thought it was cute. All right, now this other item, I'm not really a Halloween person, but I bought it, one, because it was pink and gold, and I do have some of these that I use for boys' pirate parties, but I thought this one might work as a girl pirate party decor, although it is a Halloween decor. And I thought some of you may really, really, really like this. Now, that has the little spider on it. Now, I want to show you, because of this item, and because it wouldn't be a super long video, so I'm going to add it in here. I upcycled some Halloween items for the same reason. Let me show you this. This was orange. Sorry, it's got a butterfly in it. This is a orange Halloween basket with a spider. And what I did was I spray painted it cream colored, and then I used the gold paint pen to paint that spider gold on front and back. Now this one I have not finished yet because I thought I might do a DIY and show you how I upcycled this, but I thought, no, it's going to be such a short DIY that I might as well let you see it now since I bought that pink. Now, of course, you could also, because this was this year. This I bought last year and already spray painted it before I saw this. You could also spray paint this a light pink and do the gold spider to match. But this is how you can just make your Halloween decors just a little more upscale, a little more high-end by painting in cream color. Now let me show you just a few other items because I don't typically do Halloween, and then I did, because I closed the venue, I did get rid of all of my Halloween decor except for these items. So stay tuned. These pink skeletons. Now I do, to make them look a little more high end, I spray painted them pink, and then I spritz them with some spray paint in silver, and then spritz them just a tiny bit with some gold. Now I'm not sure if you can see it in this picture, see the gold and the silver, but that's what I did to make these a little more high end. Now, they'll be great for a girly Halloween, but they will also be great for a girl's pirate party as well. Now, what I also did was I took the felt skeletons and lightly spray painted them pink. So that's another way you can you know, kind of upcycle some of your Halloween projects if you need to make a girly girl party. You can spray paint lightly. If you do too heavy of a spray paint on styrofoam, it will melt the styrofoam. So you have to go real lightly, let it dry, go real lightly, let it dry. And then of course felt, you don't really want it to look painted, so you just spray paint it very lightly and give it a real light spray paint. And then, like I said, to add dimension to the skeletons, you're going to add a little bit of metallic silver and a little bit of metallic gold, and it gives it such a really cool, it gives it a real cool upscaled look. Alright, I hope you like this video. I do have a walkthrough of some things at Dollar Tree, just some organizational items, because they really didn't have a lot of new fall decor, and I have to downsize some of my decor, so I got rid of my current Halloween stuff and didn't buy any more Halloween stuff, so I don't have any of that to show you this year. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and the walkthrough is next. This is some of the organizational baskets that I like, because when you're organizing your husband or your son, they actually have colors that they will like, and they have that basket weave look, so if you even wanted it and painted it in a cream color. It could also look like a shabby chic basket. But here's all the other organizing containers. They have my favorite. Now I have this white one in my kitchen cabinet hung on the door for paper towels. These I have in my drawers. These I have above the cabinets in my laundry room. These I have in my kitchen cabinets for snacks and various things. This is in my freezer, my chest freezer. Alright, all the colors that of organization.